Good morning, guys, and welcome to another day in the life video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what it is that I do all day as a stay-at-home homeschooling mother. I will probably do a couple of these videos because every day is actually different, and right now it is 9:30. You know, I've had the battle with the kids about going to bed early and waking up early, and I realized that our family is just not an early family. We like to stay up a little later. My husband gets off of work late, so that's the only time he can spend with us. And I realized that by waking the kids up early, too early, and they're not getting enough sleep, we don't have good school days because they're exhausted. So it is 9:30 now. They are sleeping later than usual, but that is only because I have a virtual appointment that I'm waiting for the link. Once I'm done my virtual appointment, I am going to wake them up. So right now I am reading my books, I'm drinking my coffee, I did my prayer. Well, I'm gonna pray a little more, and then read the Bible as well, and I did my morning affirmations. I still try to do the miracle morning routine, which I'll link a video on the card above, minus the exercise, because I decided that I'm gonna do 30 minutes on the trampoline with the kids every day to cover that, and that won't be in the morning, that'll be in the afternoon. So I have a lot of things to do today. When I'm done my morning time and my coffee, I will write my to-do list, and then we will get our day started.
Been one or two since I ran into you. Do you need a picture? Well, I get so it's hard to take one when your iPhone's full. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make not
Right now, my little one is needing help with everything, so we're gonna have to sit down one-on-one. It's the afternoon. I'm actually making lunch right now for the three of them. My oldest daughter's on her way home from school. She does go to school. She's in 11th grade, and she's always starving. So they're gonna have their lunch together, and then I'm gonna get back to work. Aaron is in his room playing with building Legos. And after they have lunch, we're going to get started with the rest of our work. So my son loves sneaking off into his room during homeschool break time to build these Legos. He's been really into Legos lately, but it's really good for his mind, so I don't really mind at all. One of my favorite parts of homeschooling is being able to instill truth, values, and morals into my children and having these one-on-one conversations with them.
But who could foresee the fall? Maybe it's time to decide what to do with the fact that it happens to us all. From time to time it all comes around, and no one knows the end. We're all building bridges slowly, tearing them down fast to start over. We're all trying to come over memories of the past and start over. The past can start over. Start over.
So we're done with our schoolwork, and like I said, I'm feeling a bit overstimulated, I guess. And I need some downtime before I continue with the rest of my day. I do need to clean, I need to make dinner, I just walked the dogs, but it's Friday, so I do have, I can stay up later tonight or whatever, but right now I'm gonna have some me time. I don't at all watch TV alone. There's only one show, that Sheldon show, that I'll watch, which I might turn that on and play The Sims. I just need something brain numbing. I did my reading this morning. Everybody needs something to do. So I'm just gonna be watching TV or just playing on my Sims on my laptop for about an hour, and I'll start cooking at 5 o'clock and start cleaning and doing all this stuff. But I just need to chill right now and take a little rest while the kids take their screen time break. As you see, it's into the evening. I made a lot of food. The kids have had dinner. I haven't had dinner yet. I had to go to the pharmacy and pick up a prescription. And now Arilyn and I are gonna go outside to see if we can find the constellations that we talked about today. We're gonna look for the Big Dipper and the Little Dipper, Ursa Major and Ursa Minor. And we're gonna look for Orion, and see if we can find them in the sky. And then I do have to tidy up a bit the classroom, and then we're just gonna hang out for the rest of the night. I had on my to-do list to go to my daughter's room and help her clean it and like tidy up the whole house, but that just didn't get done. It took a long time, and I had to have a conversation with family members and stuff like that, so we didn't get around to it. So we're gonna go outside, and then the video's gonna end. So I'm gonna The last thing to do tonight is begin preparation for the classes that I teach at our homeschool co-op. I have to empty out all the supplies for the classes that I taught last week and put them away in my laundry room. That's where I store all of my arts and crafts things for homeschool and for teaching at the homeschool co-op. I teach a preschool science, and I also teach a learning through literature class for kindergarten and first graders. So I also have to print out my lesson plans, get the library books, put my old lessons in these binders for next year, and this is going to be the last thing that I am doing tonight. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have a video on how I homeschool my 7th grader coming out. Be on the lookout for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh wait, last thing I do is edit this video. See you later, guys.